Delhi real estate developer DLF is in advanced talks with a consortium of developers to sell a significant land parcel in Mumbai. Nisha Poddar joins us with exclusive details. Nisha, how big is this land parcel and what are the kind of proceeds that DLF is looking at?
Right, Sandeep. It's a large land parcel, 17 acres of land with over 3 million square feet of developable area. And it's in prime location in Mumbai in the Lower Parel region. Now, it has been on the block for a long time and really no developer has managed to meet the expectations or the valuation expectations of DLF. But what I gather right now is that a consortium of developers, which includes two developers, that is Vallabh Sheth of Sheth Developers, and another one is Avinash Bhosle, who's a Pune-based big developer. So these two, along with what my sources also tell me, is that another large real estate player based in Mumbai with diversified group interests could also join this consortium. And they are offering about 2,500 crore rupees for this deal. Now, this large land parcel has at the moment 3 million square feet of FSI approval, but then there could be more. It could be pumped up to even 5 million square feet. So if that happens, then 500 extra could be given by this particular consortium. But at the moment, 2,000 crore rupees in a staggered manner has been offered for this deal. On the other hand, this deal has been languishing for a long time. DLF has failed to launch this project twice in the past. Also because of money constraints. Remember, they have over 22,700 crores of debt on their books. So it's not that this consortium is the only one which is right now in talks. Piramal Group has also spoken to DLF, and Oberoi Realty is another cash-rich company which has also been in talks. But none of them thought that the valuations that DLF is asking for is something that they are ready to pay at the moment. So at the moment, advanced talks with this particular consortium and with the money power that the three developers could bring in could really strike the deal for DLF, but it is to be seen where this particular talk goes.